We are going to review top 5 best digital oscilloscopes. Let's get started. List number 1. SIGLENT Technologies SDS1104XE. The SIGLENT Technologies SDS1104XE is a top-of-the-line device capable of recording 400,000 waveforms per second. It features impressive 256-level intensity grading and color temperature modes, which allow you to detect even minute shifts in current. Screen is bright and clear. Suffers from very little noise. Stores up to 80,000 frames. The SDS1000XE series employs a new generation of SPO, superphosphor oscilloscope, technology that provides excellent signal fidelity and performance. List number 2. HANTEK Storage SO5102P. The HANTEK Storage SO5102P offers many of the features and abilities you might expect to see on a much more expensive scope. That includes a large, full-color, 7-inch display, a 100 MHz bandwidth limit, and a high sample rate. 2 probe channels. Intuitive layout. Reliably precise readings. 100 MHz bandwidths. 1 GHz/s real-time sample rate. Large, 7.0-inch, color display, WVGA, 800 by 480. Record length up to 40K. Trigger mode, edge/pulse width/line selectable video/slop/overtime etc. USB host and device connectivity. List number 3. OWON XDS3204E. The display on the OWON XDS3204E is particularly nice, measuring in at 8 inches and offering touchscreen functionality to simplify interaction with a number of parameters. A reliable square wave generator makes it easy to calibrate a probe. Slim and portable design. 8-bit vertical resolution. 13 trigger types. Model, XDS3204E. 200 MHz bandwidth, 1 GHz/s sample rate. 40 M record length, 45,000 WFMS/s waveform refresh rate. Plus low background noise. Plus 8-inch 800 by 600 high-resolution LCD, multi-touch screen, more user-friendly operation experience. List number 4. SIGLENT SDS1202XE. The SIGLENT SDS1202XE is one of the best options for beginners. It boasts some truly professional-grade features, but its lack of logic analysis keeps it from the top of the company's lineup, even if it simplifies things for novices. 200 MHz bandwidth. High waveform capture rate. Occasionally freezes. 200 MHz, 1 GHz/s. The SDS1202XE series employs a new generation of SPO technology that provides excellent signal fidelity and performance. The system noise is also lower than similar products in the industry. It has a minimum vertical input range of 500 UV/div, an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter. List number 5. RIGOL DS1054Z. The RIGOL DS1054Z has 4 separate channels, so it can track multiple voltage sources at one time. It also comes with an impressive amount of memory as standard, but some of its abilities disappear after a trial period, and then cost more to use. Good entry-level choice. Several types of trigger functions. Suffers from some noise. Find out what the DS1054Z is one of the top-selling oscilloscopes in the world since its release in September 2014. Read the reviews. Let our customers tell you what they think of this unit. Schools love them, companies love them, students and home hobbyists love the DS1054Z.